In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resend an invite to Xero Me, which should take just about 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and make sure you have everything set up correctly. First off, you'll want to log into your Xero accounting software. If you haven't saved your credentials, simply visit the Xero website and click on the Login button. Enter your email and password carefully to avoid any login issues. In case you forgot your password, Xero provides a quick recovery option which can come in handy. Once you've entered your details, click on Login again and you'll be taken right to your dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, it will serve as your starting point. Here, you'll find lots of functionalities at your fingertips. What you need to do next is navigate over to the payroll section of the software. By clicking on payroll, you'll access another set of options. The next step involves selecting employees. In this section, you'll find a list of your employees who've been added to the system. Next, you'll want to identify which employees need an invitation to join Xero Me. Just check the checkbox next to the names of those employees you wish to invite. This simple action allows you to manage multiple employees at the same time, saving you from going through the process individually. After selecting the employees, direct your attention to the Invite to Xero Me button. By clicking this button, you initiate the process of sending out the invite. This is an efficient way to ensure your employees have access to their pay stubs, financial information, and other vital resources available on Xero Me. It's quite a user-friendly feature that emphasizes the seamless integration Xero offers to its users. Once you've clicked Invite to Xero Me, there's one last important detail to cover. The invited employee will receive an email inviting them to join Xero Me. Make sure to communicate with your employees to be on the lookout for this email, as it's crucial for gaining access to their accounts. And there you have it. With these steps, you can easily resend invites to your employees, ensuring they're all set up and ready to go on Xero Me. Remember, managing user access effectively is key to maintaining organized and efficient operations in your business's financial management system. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more helpful tutorials like this one.